So,
Na-end niya.
okay, let's join Broda's private server.
Okay, that's my okay, it's me Sam.
Who is that?
Kita Donna.
Oh,
Mundit? Mundit ka?
Dunji. There is Dunji. There is Dunji. I am the only broke. And they are
Crab.
rich.
I have crab. Who should I remove?
So,
I just pick him.
but private server? Huh? Mundit. Never mind. So, but the problem is, where is the beanstalk? Okay, I'm gonna keep this. Why is not favorite? Yours. Let's go. This is garden. Stags.
Why is it?
The camera. Move it. Never mind.
I have about 190.
I am 11% left, so I have to check. Habang okay, bumili carrot. My product. Oh, you are flexing. No admin. No admin abuse. Mag-charge ka na habang naglalaro ka. Lang bro, wait lang. Yung sana. Okay. Okay. Ching. 10%. 10%.
Tingnan mo kung nagtagay yung hindi.
Sorry. Where's the mundit? Mundit. I remember the 7.
I wish the owl was back. Where is my
Bro had... Wait. He had a pickup. Kiwi. So... I missed the event after the sugar apple event because Mamuda.
Don't say it in camera. What is the radio?
Oh,
So many. Kaya ka.
dito. This one. So, no good pets. Let me just see this.
Yun, laki! Pero laki ng ano, tiglili.
Okay.
Sarado na sa baba.
Dami na ano.
I'm just lagging. No.
Ano ang ginagawa ng tika? Oh, natin.
What is the good stuff? Green apple. Grape. What is the green apple?
Oh, wait. Sa'yo na lang. Baka sa garden mo.
Why this is the
Dami garden mo. Put ko garden mo.
my garden yet? Moon mango. Let's go. Yo, beanstalk. 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 Kaponcho. Also, Mabruda is a YouTuber. Ay,
I am very rich.
paldo. I'm very paldo.
Na. Okay.
What time is our harvest?
26 minutes.
Oh. Oh.
Pineapple.
Yeah. Stock? Why did it? I'm so loud. Where's the pineapple? Pineapple? Yeah.
Pineapple.
What is this again? Banana. This is the one. Why is so tall? Why it is so tall? I thought it was small. Outside something good, or I give you, or I throw you. Visual Forum Paldi. Come because you already know my face. No. Did I gonna send my inventory or just gonna send my house? Server hours. This is just my user. Yes. This no.
Let's see how much is made. Oh, 36 million.
So how much is this one?
Ano lang boy? Ano lang?
2 billion. Bro. Up. Oh, but nah. You are just like the players that the server that I
Bro, I
joined
said the right thing.
later.
Oh, okay.
Ano yung malaking illusion? What is that? A cacao? Purple. What is that? Okay, okay.
Sarap kakao to. Ay, meron. Dami.
By the way, I'm not even English. Philippine. I'm not even English.
Buwan-buwan yan ako. Hindi ka ba bumibili ng ano?
Edmundo.
Tomato.
Tomato in stock. Watermelon in stock. Watermelon. Watermelon. Very crispy. I'm just gonna wait up to summer harvest and
I missed it. I missed the ham. I missed and I don't know why.
also add this is my good account in Grow a Garden and the Dress. I'm playing the Dress. This is the user. Field is
So summer harvest is already good. Under 13 minutes.
very bad experience.
Bro, what's a giant plant? This is small.
So this is easy. Also, the next day, I'm gonna play at the pizza place for the first time. Because I'm playing for second.
Oh. I didn't know, bro.
What?
Guys, matras ako dito.
What?
Ayun. You want this? Never mind.
Chicken jockey. Chicken
No,
jockey.
give it back.
Chicken jockey.
Saan mo gusto yung honey sprinkler?
Sa dito sa ano, sa
Loko na.
sa kilo.
Ay, ayun ko.
Hindi sa ano, sa
Ba't?
watermelon cracker. Kakala ko. Are you being good? I'm not very good. Possible. So what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Sinayang ko.
Wala kang beanstalk. You are... I think it's time to move my...
Banana.
Ano?
Ismijonyx with Ismijonyx and Ismiso. What the? Exactly. This is his garden. He had 22 likes. Like,
Oh!
oh God.
I think... Siya ba yun?
Yo, I'm lagging.
Ito ba yun?
Ah!
Bro! Ito ba yun? Yung nakita mo? Yung gitarang ganito?
Yeah.
Yung gitar ko. Ayaw mo.
Monawin. This is just a gift from my friend. This melon. But
Join me to my private studio.
so
I don't
When
want
it-
to jump.
when it had no power, okay, here the parkour here. Let's finish it. I'm too laggy, so I'm gonna fall. No, yeah, I knew it. Why is it abrupt? This
I really need more brain. Sana lang.
no, I'm gonna finish this parkour. I'm just gonna finish this. can finish it with lag. Also when it
Harvest 7 minutes na lang. Oh, this can cover the
battles, also when it had no power, no. Me too. So I'm gonna finish this garden, but also when it had no power, I'm just gonna end this. It's done. This is the pineapple.
Tapos na yung ano? Yung gagli?
Yes.
Tapos na agad yung gagli? Yung mag-charge habang
Also, this is my friend who gave me the melon.
Hindi mo mo?
Melon. This. I don't know what his name is. What country is that? Korea or Japan?
What?
Everyone is playing Grow a Garden.
Region ako, region na sana. Region.
Someone's playing Dead Race. Tungtong sa ako playing Bro.
7 million active.
Everyone is playing Grow a
7
Garden.
million active.
I wanna run away.
7
Everyone is playing Grow a Garden.
million.
But what is this? Still a capybara.
Good.
Grow a Garden is more better. There's still a Bringo.
Nothing.
Still a Bringo is
Your
trash.
friend John
Grow a
is
Garden.
suspended.
Mix. Let me finish your pattern. I'm lagging, so this is all. Please don't leave. Bro, I can jump. I can jump. Son. I'm lagging. Oh no, I'm lagging. No, it's too close.
Finish it.
I'm too laggy. No, I failed. Oh, my hand. Landing right here.
Wala.
I can go to your house. I can. Let me just be sure. I can't move forward to the sum 750 cup because bro. I'm too laggy. I can finish this parkour. Eee! 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 So, bro, I keep falling just literally spinning tower. So, I know. Ow.
Yo,
Paradise. I'm just gonna buy it later.
You don't have the summer harvest what?
Yo, Jandy. Hello, Jandy.
Oh wait. What about?
Yes. I'm waiting for this later. I'm waiting for this. Oh. 193 fruits. Oh. Admin abuse. Lightning. But I don't get.
YouTuber lang.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ew, did I get shocked?
Sorry for.
I got shocked, Blueberry.
In the chat, good morning, good evening, good morning, and good day to you. Tumutulong ka ba? Hindi.
Tumutulong.
Red.
Paradise Egg, it's time to buy. Bro, I don't have enough money. Or I just sell.
I-sell mo na yung 2 billion.
Okay. I had to sacrifice Moonmelon. I had to sacrifice you. I want to sell this. I want to sell this. No, nabintog ko. Okay, I'm now paldo.
Oh, okay, ito. Bro!
What? What?
Dami mong ano yan? Ano to?
Ah!
Gardasi.
Yo, I have admin commands. Nah, I don't have admin commands.
What is this?
We are in SpongeBob SquarePants.
I can fly.
I believe I can fly.
Taboo.
What? Why I can go to the sky?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ang lag when I...
Bro, how do get I... Bro, I am stuck.
I'm in the sky. Look.
Nakalimutan mo na ba yung ano?
Yung ano?
Yung summer harvest?
Is my garden, that is your garden. Now I can explore the whole map. I see outside.
Dun sa ano?
I see outside. I see outside. I see outside.
Oh my.
Let's go. With mutation. With mutation, bro.
What?
Why did you mean with mutation? Is it gonna happen? No. No. Nag-drown na ako. I had so many shock carrot. Did the summer harvest? Just gonna go to the Okay, finish this parkour. So,
Backpack space. Bro, tumutulong ka ba? Hindi.
Come on. Bro! Wait. How
Ano
much?
yung stop?
Dun. Wait. What?
Max backpack space. Bro, I got stuck. Tumutulong ka ba, Aaron? O hindi?
No! Oh, I
Bro, you ain't
fell.
helping.
It's gonna end.
4 minutes.
Okay. Ganyan na rin points is
Tumutulong ka ba, Aaron?
yeah, 70 fruits. Okay, now I am on the top of this parkour. Did
It's
I
not that
recording?
hard, bro. I thought you are a parkour pro. I can do it in one try.
I'm lagging, bro. I think I'm gonna finish it quick lang.
Tingnan mo. I can do it in one try.
2 minutes.
Tingnan mo. I can do it in one try.
Okay. Absolute simina. Let him cook now. Let me cook. Let him cook. No, I'm gonna buy the paradise egg. I need the paradise egg. I have to buy this. I have to buy this. And put it away. Good. I can play it in 3 minutes.
Please, give me.
I wish I can get.
Mooncut. I need it.
What it is it again? Okay, this is moon mango. And this is moon melon. This one is, what is this? This is a balloon. This video takes 30 minutes.
30 minutes? 30 seconds.
Look.
Geometrical egg. Ano na yung points mo? Hindi ka naman tutulong eh.
Blue.
Ilan yung points mo?
790.
What? 90? Tingin?
700, 900.
Okay, legend that.
Please give me something good. Or some...
Hindi ka naman tumutulong eh.
50
Oras na.
50.
Okay.
Good.
Yun.
Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Give me all your money. Give me all your Robux. No.
Give me all your Robux. This is police. This is police.
I'm joking, bro.
Pew pew. Patay. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew pew.
Get out of here!
Ito, trowel. Ano din oh.
Wait, Star Joins.
Ay, hindi.
Okay
Dito
na.
muna. Di ko alam na kung online si Star eh.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toy, honey, sprinkle, shekels, sprinkle food, summer seed pack,
Red.
egg.
Bunag. Meron.
Yes!
Sprinkler.
Ako din nakakuha ko. Yay! Let's go! I'm very lucky this day. I'm so very
What
lucky
is this?
this day. What
Fried
is this?
chicken.
Fried chicken. What? What is this event? What is this event? This is just my first time seeing this event. It's my mango. This is my lucky day.
Well, I'm a plant my
Red.
mango. Beside mango.
Is it?
Mango.
Yes.
Yes.
Tiway.
I got melon. Melon.
Tiway. Summer harvest.
Naipis.
How did I can get it? Cockroach. I'm scared of cockroach. I'm gonna run that this is now released.
This is 6 million. Oh.
Okay, the
I got that.
cockroach is
Bro, mayroon akong fried chicken.
fried.
Chicken.
Fried
chicken.
chicken.
Yun lang, nakakuha ko ng fried chicken.
Okay, I got a fried and shark pineapple. The cockroach is
Nakakuha ko ng ano? Yun.
okay. The event is not done.
Oh. Elephant ear. I got parasol. I got tail.
Ako wild carrot. So also thank you to the summer harvest.
Race tayo, race. Wait lang, wag mo. Punta
They
muna sa ano.
give
Race.
me-
Uy, wait lang. Uy, wait lang.
No, I'm not gonna race you. I'm so very slow at races.
Pag mahulog ka, baling ka. Kaboom! Nalaglag ako. Pag nalaglag ako, pogi ako. Ay, parang.
Also, but also thank you to the summer harvest. They gave me
Tingnan mo sa taas.
melon,
Tingnan mo sa taas ng ano.
melon and the moon mango. TY.
Oh, wait. Itrol ko nga si Lida doon.
Oh,
Ay, si Damzi.
Duni. The capybara. What is the capybara do? I'm not just gonna steal. I just gonna view the capybara. Bro, stop.
Sino mo sa likod, Aaron? Turo mo sa likod lang garden ni Tita Donna. Turo mo sa likod ng garden ni Tita Donna.
I'm just gonna view this capybara. This is just like a string. I hope this gonna take 1 hour. This is gonna take 1 hour. Let me just. Also, this video is gonna hit 40 minutes. Also, it's time to prank Danji.
Ano yung stock?
The good one is
Tomato.
latte, tomato.
Ilan?
Huh? I had so many shock. Ampaldo. Bro, why is this so...
Tita Donna, ang laki-laki no? Ay, hindi na nakikita.
Hey, yo! This is so big. I get scammed from the pineapple.
Wait.
Wait. Puta ka nga. Ano, log mo, boy. Ang log mo. Here we go.
What? Wait, what is that?
Yo! Let's go! Space 7! I love space